Hello students, welcome to the class. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. In today's class, we are going to start chapter 9, the forest and wildlife. In this chapter, you will come to know about forest in India, then types of forest, then wildlife in India, conservation of forest and wildlife to save trees, to protect animals. Let's begin the chapter. What is forest? Forest is a large area of land where trees and plants grow close to one another. And what is wildlife? Wildlife include animals and insects that live in forest. The cutting down of trees affect the water vapor content in the air and thus rain. Down of trees affect the water vapor and rain, and forest and wildlife are valuable natural resources. Water, forest, wildlife, these are the natural resources, and forest and wildlife, among them forest and wildlife are the valuable natural resources. So we must not harm them. So let us read about them in this chapter. Large areas of land where trees and plants grow close to one another. The large area where the large area of land where trees and plants grow close to each other are called forest. Forest covers about 22% of the total land area in India. 22% of total land forest cover 22% of total land area in India. Forests are an important part of our environment. Forests are an important part of our ecosystem, and plants and trees clean the air by maintaining the level of carbon dioxide and oxygen. Plants and trees clean the air and maintain the level of carbon dioxide and oxygen. An area with rich forest receives plenty of rainfall. An area with rich forest cover, it receives plenty of rainfall. They also fulfill our needs by providing herbs for medicine. Forest, the trees fulfill our need by providing herbs for medicine, wood for timber, paper, rubber, etc. Forest prevents soil erosion. Soil erosion can be prevented by forest, and they are a home to a variety of plants, birds and animals. For plant, birds and animals, forest is a home to a variety of plants, birds and animals. Trees use carbon dioxide present in our tree use carbon dioxide present in air and give out oxygen. It's vital for our survival. Forest in India. Different type of forest are found in India according to the climate and soil of the place. Different type of forest can be found in India according to the climate of the place and the soil of the place. There are 5 main types of forest found in India. Let us learn about them. The 5 main types of forest found in India are: the first one, evergreen forest, then deciduous forest, then mountain forest, thorn forest, and tidal forest. We will discuss about each of them one by one. So first, let us discuss about evergreen forest. Evergreen forests are also called tropical forest. Evergreen forest is also known as tropical forest. The trees of these forests do not shed all their leaves at one time. At one time, the trees of these forests do not shed their leaves. They look always green, so they are called evergreen forest. Evergreen forest always look green. See the picture, always look green. So They are called evergreen forest. They are found in areas which are hot and receive heavy rainfall. The evergreen forest found in the areas which are hot and which receive heavy rainfall. Forests are found in the hot and wet region. These forests have a dense undergrowth of shrubs and bushes. In India, evergreen forests are found in the slopes of Western Ghat in states such as Kerala and Karnataka. Evergreen forests are found in India in the slopes of Western Ghats in states such as Kerala and Karnataka. They are also found in northeastern hills of Jaintia and Khasi in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. The evergreen forests are also found in the northeastern hills of Jaintia and Khasi and in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. These forests are found near the equator. The evergreen forests are found near the equator, and the trees grow very close together. And the trees here grow very close together. Therefore, the forests are dense. Too many of trees are there which grow very close together. So many trees grow very close together, and the forests are dense. The trees are tall and hardwood type and can reach a height of 50 meters or more. The trees are so tall, the evergreen forest and hardwood, so that they can reach a height of 50 meters or more. The leaves are broad and form a canopy. The leaves are broad, big in size, and form a canopy. It is a cover that hang or spread above something at the top of the trees. At the top of the trees, it hang or spread above something. Some of the trees found in evergreen forest of India are rosewood, mahogany, and ebony. The trees found in the forest are rosewood, mahogany, and ebony. So ebony is a blackish or very dark brown timber from a mainly tropical tree. The wood of these trees is used for making furniture. The wood of these trees are mainly used for making furniture. Bamboo and reeds are also common. And they are used for making roofs, fences, and paper. Bamboo and reeds are used for making roofs, fences, and paper. It was all about evergreen forest or tropical forest. Now let us know about deciduous forest. The deciduous tree, in the deciduous forest, vegetation composed primarily of broad-leaved trees that shed all their leaves during one season. The deciduous forests are found in areas receiving annual rainfall of 100 to 200 centimeters. These forests are found in the areas which receive annual rainfall of 100 to 200 centimeters. Hence, they are also called monsoon forest. Deciduous forests are also known as monsoon forest. More than half of the forest area of India is covered by deciduous forest. The area covered in India, more than half of the forest area of India is covered by deciduous forest. And these forests are found on the western and the northeastern part of the Deccan Plateau and on the Shivalik Hills from Jammu in the west to West Bengal in the east. The deciduous forests are found in India on the western and the northeastern part of Deccan Plateau and on the Shivalik Hill from Jammu, it is in the west, and to the West Bengal in the east. The trees in deciduous forest have broad leaves. The trees of deciduous forest. The trees in deciduous forest, they have broad leaves, and the main trees found in these forests are teak, sal, sandalwood, mango, jackfruit, bamboo, sesame and mahua. These are the main trees found in the deciduous forest. The trees shed their leaves once a year during the dry season between the month of March and May. The wood of these trees are used for making furniture and as building material. So, the wood of these trees are used for making furniture and building material. Trees shed their leaves in hot summer to save water. These forests found in the southern plateau and foothills of the Himalayas. Now, mountain forest. Mountain forests are also called coniferous forest. Mountain forest is also known as coniferous forest. These forests are found on the slopes of the Himalayas in the north. The mountain forests are found on the slopes of the Himalayas in the north and parts of Nilgiri hills in the south. And it is also found in the mountain forests are also found in parts of Nilgiri hill in the south. The trees in these forests are very tall and have soft wood. The trees in these forests, in the mountain forest, are very tall and have soft wood. Most trees have needle-shaped leaves and bear cones. Most of the trees have needle-shaped leaves. The shape of the leaves are needle-shaped and the cone-shaped. So the coniferous forest or the mountain forest found on the slopes of the Himalayas of cone-bearing, needle-leaved or scale-leaved evergreen trees. And it is found, these forests found in the areas that have long winters and moderate to high. Pine, cedar, fir, spruce and silver fir are the common trees found in these forests. So the common trees found in these forests are pine, cedar, fir, spruce and silver fir. The resin, that is sap of pine trees, is used in making paints and varnishes, and the pulp is used to make paper. The resin of pine trees is used in making paint and varnishes and paints. So the paints and varnishes can be made by using the resin of the pine trees, and pulp is used to make paper. See here the pictures given in your book of mountain forest. Common trees are pine, cedar, fir, spruce and silver fir. Spruce is a large tree from about 20 to 60 meter. That's all for today. We'll continue the same chapter in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.